Hello, well followers. This is Naveen Suroha again, and it's a similar video which is we started at end of the last video. So we are discuss about the squares and it's the 50% values. Okay, and how to trade with the square. You want to find out the values. So take a look. Suppose it's the last high and low. When the square was finished, the turning point occurred. So here to here, take a look here. See, it's a 50% value. Day low also is open time, no issue. Next, the cross 50% time is exactly low. Here also both are same. The square end is also turning for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Almost 11, 12 candle. Maybe it's the time frame is H1, so 11 hours. It's a more bigger turning point. And it's a daily to 11 days, H4. So it's not a growing point. Take some another way where to enter, where to exit. The trade will be found something here and there. So you need to enter at, as we said, the 25% of the amount. The 25% is entered here. So where we want here. Okay. So this is a spike. Obviously, again we entered here. Okay. Our target is simple this one because we have a different values. Stop loss is lowest point. Wait for the close, market close. Maybe you are using hourly time frame, so wait for the 30 minute. You are using 15-minute time frame, wait for the 5 or 10 minutes. 5-10 minutes. Close above the 25% time and price. Okay, most of the time when the 25% occur, the market immediately react to maybe it's break the low again or high again, or is frequently turn or take a spike on that time. Same like here. Okay, otherwise it's not a big deal. Market close above the low. Okay, so where the enter at sell point also same. See, market when touch the time and price of 25% and close below above. See the first time closing here, open and close same. So you can enter here. So 50% is very crucial point. First time 50% came with this line. Second time here is a nearby turning around 50%. Okay, so when you want to draw a square, when the 50% touches, see first time touch here. So let me check here. Is it 25% value will be gross? No, obviously. Okay, again market comes back to low. Is it 25%? No, no. Okay. So what happened? Market is look like so 1, 2, 3, 4. It's lots of time. 38, 40. So that time, what happened? How to consider this value will be 25%. So take a letter swing, not less than 5 candle. Okay, lots of people trying 2, 3 candle or 4 candle. Okay, not less than 5 candle. Sorry. So that time you can draw like that. The first candle you will give you a entry point at the target of 50%. Okay. When the 50% reach, you want to start applying the square. Means 50% reach here, you want to apply here. First candle obviously. First candle came strong. Okay. So this value before the time of 25%. Enter, 25% came again, 50%. When the 50% came, suppose this one came, and it will close downside, then try apply here. Again, you get an entry. Yeah, obviously it's a bigger candle. So how to enter the trade? So here, very less potential to enter. But if you are looking at 15 minute, go to 5 minute. If 5 minute above the 25% value, then you enter the trade with the stop loss of last two. Same thing here. See, the market is very choppy, so that time only 50% is smaller target, smaller, maybe it's a daily time frame, so it's very big targets and enough to trade. But if you are trading in a intraday basis, so it's also good trades with small profit, small. Okay. Go to another script, GBP USD, also same. Okay, these are the universal things. Keep in mind always. I'm using universal laws. I'm using universal geometric concept. I'm not using any traditional methods of trading. So that's why rules never changed. Okay, lots of people explaining about okay, market is not works like same always. It's never be same. No, I'm using a fixed method. Okay, market is not working on fixed method. But with my tools and with my Gann Square and all, it's a dynamic. If you are study, if you are work sometime, spend some time, you can find out the right way to do it and learn about my video, learn about my methods and courses. So I think it's a, you can find out everything works in market. I mean to say universal products, and these are working for that. See, lots of people ask, okay, market is here is 25%. Why the market is not going to be 50%? Look at here, it's almost 6-7 candle high. Market exactly test the 50%, then came back to that. Cut the low. Okay, it's also here is another low. But first you find it here, 50%. Again, I show you the entry value, same like Euro USD. Same thing happened here. 100%, and this value is 50% of the time and price. It's 100% of price and 50% of the time. So you can use for the reversal points here. This both are same. Don't worry, entry will not came. Okay. Delete previous, delete previous. Look at that. So I'm using same concept for everything. No change. See this one also same. Dynamic Gann box. No change at all. This one also same. I mean to say about scaling and all these things. No manipulations here. Scale well. Okay, go to random side. I just scroll my mouse once and see what happened here. And take a look. Okay. So I think a big chart is there. Let's try it. Stop that. See the market slope is down now. It's a almost 45-degree angle. It's moved here to here 45-degree angle. But we can apply anywhere. Same perform like same. Let's zoom it. 23rd of June. I'm doing same. Okay, anywhere, whenever, whatever you can do something like that. Tried here, here, all same 50% high, swing back low, again high, and its end point. See, somewhere variation comes here. We can take a low, 50% here, and here is again. Need to find out the entry. Go to last swing, last higher low. Just go to enter the trade. When 50% came, then apply again and start again to buying and selling. Similar here, here. Fifty percent high. If you go to here with the last swing, market is turned around here. Exact 50% high, market pull back. Here is some turning, little bit, and if you have seen the last swing is also a 50%. You can go through here. Outside. One check here. Market consolidation when the 50% touches here, 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 and market move down so far after square end. So when the square end, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here, or maybe here outside. So when the square end, any of conditions, whatever the condition behind that, the market immediately work with high volume is try to find out the new high lows. Okay. Suppose it's a 50% of square, that's a 50% of square. This works. Normal method I already described lots of time. This is my another method. That's why I show you. Swing to swing. You can apply swing to find out the turning point, to find out the retracement levels, to find out the percentage level of market. Every intersection also a turning point, but major point I already told you here, here, here. Be careful about the 50% level whenever, whatever you find. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys for this video. That's enough for this video. Uh, we meet again with a new third part of something new about square with the same concept. Thank you for watching.